Do you find grooming your long-haired cat a daunting task? Truth be told, yes, this grooming process is not easy, but it's not so difficult that you should worry about it. In this video, we not only walk you through the basic grooming rituals, from sensible haircuts to strategic hygienic trims and the art of subtle bathing, but we also make it our mission to guide you on the path to a harmonious union with your cat. We've compiled proven solutions to maintain your long-haired cat's coat and ensure its health and happiness. 8. Are long-haired cats hard to take care of? Let's get straight to the point. Are long-haired cats difficult to care for, you might ask? The truth is that although they do require a little more attention, understanding their needs turns this task into an enjoyable routine. With the right tips and tricks, you'll find the process rewarding and far from daunting. 7. How do you deal with a long-haired cat? Dealing with a long-haired cat is an art. Regular grooming is your golden ticket to prevent matting and tangles, keeping your cat comfortable and their coat healthy. Remember that patience and kindness are key. 6. Do long-hair cats need haircuts? Of course, it is important to understand the diversity among long-haired breeds. The need for a haircut can depend on several factors, such as the breed, age, health, and lifestyle of the cat. While not every long-haired cat requires a full body hair trim, most cats can benefit from regular haircuts to maintain comfort and hygiene. Benefits of a haircut. 1. Long-haired cats are prone to matting and tangles, especially in areas of high friction, such as under the armpits, under the collar, and behind the ears. Regular grooming can prevent these painful knots from forming. 2. Hygiene care. The hair around the hind legs can become dirty, leading to hygiene problems and unpleasant odors. Trimming this area, often referred to as sanitary trimming, helps keep your cat clean and comfortable. 3. Temperature regulation. In hot climates or seasons, shaving can help keep your cat cool and prevent overheating. However, it is very important to leave enough hair to protect their skin from the sun. While some cat owners feel comfortable doing minor grooming at home, professional groomers have the tools and knowledge to safely groom your cat and minimize the risk of injury. Professionals can offer a variety of styles and lengths tailored to your cat's needs and your preferences. Whether you opt for professional grooming or decide to clip your cat's hair at home, preparation and aftercare are key to a positive experience. Make sure your cat is comfortable and relaxed before the haircut. Slowly introducing them to the sound and feel of scissors or clippers can reduce stress. After the shave, reward your cat with treats and cuddles to associate the grooming process with positive outcomes. Safety should be your top priority when trimming your cat's coat. Always use tools designed for pet grooming. Be especially careful with sensitive areas such as the face, paws, and genitals. If you are unsure or uncomfortable with the process, seeking professional help is the best course of action. 5. Do long-haired cats need sanitary shaves? Speaking of hygiene, do long-haired cats need a hygienic shave? Yes, especially for those who struggle to keep themselves clean. A hygienic shave helps prevent litter and feces from sticking to their fur, keeping them and your home cleaner. 4. How often should long-haired cats be bathed? While it's important to keep them clean, excessive bathing can strip the natural oils from the coat, causing the skin to dry out and the coat to become dull. In general, a bath every few months is sufficient. However, this can vary depending on your cat's lifestyle and habits. Indoor cats may need baths less frequently than outdoor cats. There are some indications that your long-haired cat may need a bath earlier than planned. If they're covered in something sticky or smelly, or if their fur is too matted to comb, it's probably time for a bath. Also, if your cat is older or has mobility issues and struggles to groom itself effectively, it may benefit from more frequent baths to help maintain its hygiene. Choosing a suitable shampoo is vital for your cat's skin and coat health. Always choose a cat-specific shampoo that is free of harsh chemicals and fragrances. Cats have sensitive skin, and using the wrong product can cause irritation or allergic reactions. There are shampoos formulated for long-haired breeds fluids that help detangle and soften the coat, making post-bath care easier. When bathing your cat, make sure the water is lukewarm. Too hot or too cold can be uncomfortable and even harmful. Gently wet the coat and apply a small amount of shampoo with your fingers, working it into the coat. It is important to avoid the face, ears, and eyes to avoid irritation. After thoroughly working the shampoo into the coat, rinse thoroughly to remove all soap residue. Shampoo residue can cause itching and flaking. After bathing, wrap your cat in a soft towel and gently press excess water out of the fur. Avoid rubbing, as this can cause tangles. If your cat tolerates it, you can use a hairdryer on the lowest heat setting to help dry their coat. Keep the dryer away to avoid burns. Brush the coat as it dries to prevent matting and maintain a smooth, fluffy coat. After bathing, keep your cat in a warm, enclosed place until they are completely dry. This is a good time for extra cuddling and brushing to help spread natural oils throughout the coat, restoring its shine and health. 3. What is a sanitary cut for a long-haired cat? A sanitary cut involves trimming the fur around the cat's rear and lower abdomen. This simple step greatly enhances your cat's cleanliness and overall comfort. 2. Does shaving a cat ruin its fur? This question often arises among cat owners, especially those with long-haired breeds who face the challenge of maintaining a clean, tangle-free coat. The answer is nuanced. Shaving a cat does not inherently ruin its fur, but it's a process that demands careful consideration and skilled execution. Shaving a cat is not akin to giving them a simple haircut. Cats have very delicate skin that is easily nicked or cut if the shaving is not done correctly. Moreover, their fur serves as a natural barrier against the sun and temperature extremes. Removing this protective layer exposes them to potential skin irritations or even sunburn. This is where professional groomers come into the picture. They are trained to handle the nuances of cat grooming, including the safe operation of clippers that can navigate through the fur without harming the skin underneath. Professionals understand the right length to shave the fur to avoid causing ingrown hairs or damaging the natural growth pattern of the coat. After a shave, a cat's skin may be more sensitive. Owners should monitor their pet for signs of discomfort or irritation. Using gentle cat-specific moisturizers, as recommended by a vet, can help soothe the skin. Keeping the cat indoors and away from harsh environmental factors is also advisable until their fur grows back to a protective length. There's a common misconception that once shaved, a cat's fur will never grow back the same. While it's true that the texture or color might appear different initially, this is typically temporary. As the fur regrows, it will gradually return to its original state, provided the skin hasn't been damaged during the shaving process. This regrowth can take time, though, so patience is key. 1. How do you keep long-haired cats' bottoms clean? Finally, how do you keep long-haired cats' bottoms clean? Regular sanitary cuts and wipes can be lifesavers. Also, encourage a healthy diet to ensure their eliminations are solid and less likely to stick. There you have it. Mastering the care of your long-haired cat is all about routine, patience, and love. Embrace these tasks as special moments between you and your cat and watch your bond grow stronger. Remember, a well-groomed cat is a happy cat, and a happy cat makes a happy home. Subscribe for more expert cat care tips and keep your furry friend looking and feeling their best.